Hello everyone, Namaskar and good day. In this video, we will take a quick look at Cartrade Tech's upcoming IPO, share some details about the company and provide our recommendation on whether to subscribe or not to this issue. So stay tuned. So let's talk about IPO details. The issue is for a total of Rs 2,999 crore which fully offer for sale by the company's shareholder, selling 1.85 crore by shareholder. The issue opens on 9th August 2021 and closes on 11th August 2021. The price band is Rs 1,585 to Rs 1,618 per share and the bid lot is 9 shares. Post the issue, the market cap of the company will be Rs 7,416 crores and the shares are likely to be listed on the exchanges on 23rd August 2021. Objects of the issue. The company is coming with this IPO mainly due to two reasons. First, to carry out an offer for sale, and second, to achieve the benefits of listing the equity shares on the stock exchanges. In this section, we will provide a brief overview of the company. Cartrade Tech Limited was incorporated on April 28, 2000. Cartrade is a multi-channel auto platform with coverage and presence over vehicle types and value-added services. They offer a variety of solutions across the automotive transaction value chain for marketing, buying, selling, and financing of new and pre-owned cars, two-wheelers as well as pre-owned commercial vehicles and farm and construction equipment. Their platforms operate under several brands: Carwale, Cartrade, Shriram Auto Mall, Bikewale, Cartrade Exchange, Android Auto, and Autobiz. Their platforms are operated on 221 technology employees working at their 3 technology centers as of June 30, 2021. In the 3 months ended June 30, 2021, their consumer platforms Carwale, Cartrade, and Bikewale collectively had an average of 27.1 million unique visitors per month, with 88.14% being organic visitors. Their brands Carwale and Bikewale ranked number 1 on relative online search popularity when compared to their key competitors over the period from April 2020 to March 2021. Company's marquee institutional shareholders include Hydel Investment Limited, affiliate of Warburg Pincus LLC, and MacRitchie Investments Private Limited, an affiliate of Temasek, JP Morgan, and March Capital. Financials. Cartrade Tech reported revenue CAGR of 1.3% over FY 19-21. Operating front, the company has reported operating margin improvement from 12.1% FY19 to 15.8% in FY21. The bottom line front, the company has reported strong profitability over same period in FY21. Company has reported net revenue Rs 250 crore and profit was Rs 101 crore. Overall financial performance is better. Brief peer comparison. In terms of valuations, the post-issue FY 2021 PE works out 73.4x at the upper end of the issue price band. There are no listed peers for comparison. However, the company is doing better compared to unlisted peers in terms of financial risk, increase in competition. We believe the company has strong brand, better technology platforms, profitable and scalable business model. Hence, we recommend a subscribe rating on the issue.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.